Hi everybody, welcome back to another lesson in my level 3 beginner piano course. We got to the end of chapter 2 or lesson 2, which was all about D major, the new key, the new scale, the new chords. And in this final lesson, we're going to do a little bit of sight reading. Don't forget the rules for sight reading. If you have the book, or even if you watch this video, make sure to play the exercises before watching me play them. So pause the video, look at the sheet music and try to play it yourself. And the only purpose of this video is to check your answers, to see if you manage to get the rhythms right, the notes right, and the melody right. Play it first and then watch this video to check your answers. The main rules for sight reading are to count at a steady pulse, check your starting notes, and check the key signature, whether you have any sharps or flats. Scan with your eyes and look out for repeating patterns to make sure you understand the rhythmic structure of the piece before you start it. And most importantly, try to get from the start to the end without stopping, without repeating yourself. The point of sight reading is to be consistent, to be fluent, and even if we make mistakes, we need to keep a steady pulse and get from beginning to end. I see very often students stopping at every mistake and repeating it until they get it right, and the flow of the piece completely falls apart. Exercise 1. Exercise 2. Exercise 3. Exercise 4. Exercise 5.